Here's how to create a clickable email signature like this. First, open up Canva, and I just made a copy of my UGC website and deleted all of the unnecessary pages. I kept the socials that I wanted to use and set them to 1080 by 1080 pixels. Started a free trial to get this option. Next, you're going to make duplicates of each page for how many social medias you want to use. Then you're going to resize them. I did 800 by 800. Also, if you want to add a picture, add that in too. Then you're going to download them as a PNG. They should save all together in one folder. Next, let's open up Google Docs and create a 2-column table. Next, go to Insert Image and upload where you saved your icons and your picture. You can resize your icons and table and play around with it a little bit and add some of your information in. I saved all of the icons to my computer, so you go to Insert Image and Upload from Computer. Once you're finished uploading the icons, customize your signature a little bit, and you can change the font and the size. Now let's add the links. So click this link button and insert all of your social links. So I'm just gonna speed this up a little bit here because each step is basically the same, just a different link. After you're done with that, if you want to have no border, select all the borders and go to border width and then click 0. Copy the table and then head to settings in your email. Once you're in settings, you're gonna scroll down to signature and then you're gonna click create new signature and name your new signature. Don't forget to save your work. I always like to do a test to make sure things work, so I just sent an email to myself. After I made this video, I realized I forgot to add my website icon, so here it is. I hope this video helped. Follow for more tips and let me know if you have any questions.